What's up guys, it's Kelly Shalal, registered dietitian and personal trainer behind the healthy living blog Hungry Hobby, and today I'm here to show you how to make my healthy chicken quesadillas. These are veggie packed into a whole grain tortilla with plenty of cheese, and everybody will love them, I promise. So if you want to find out how to make them, stick around, but first make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification tab so that you never miss a healthy recipe, workout, nutrition tip, rambling. I post new videos usually every week. Prego's been a little slow at the upload, but either way, new content all the time, so you want to make sure that you stick around and you don't miss any of that. So once you do that, we'll get started making my healthy, cheesy chicken quesadillas. All right guys, so the very first thing you're gonna need to do in order to make these delicious quesadillas is roast up some veggies. I love the texture of roasted veggies, and it's the quickest way to get them all done on one pan. So I use broccoli and cauliflower. You can really use whatever combination of veggies you want. Those are just the ones that I happen to have had around my house most frequently and the ones I typically use to make quesadillas with. So I chop them up and I spray them with some oil and put them in a preheated oven to 400 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And I know at this point some of you are saying, give me exact ingredients. Don't worry, all the exact ingredients are in the original blog post for this recipe, and there's a link below. So you can click on that and it will take you to the printable recipe where you can print the recipe and get the full explanation there. So make sure that you click that link if you want to follow along and make the recipe. But today I'm gonna talk you through how to make it. So once your veggies are roasted, it's time to pretty quickly start assembling the quesadilla. Now you're probably like, but what about the chicken? So fair. Typically, if I plan these on my meal plan for the week, I use rotisserie chicken, but you could also use grilled chicken, just like a plain grilled chicken, or you could use shredded chicken in the slow cooker or Instapot. It's really up to you. Any chicken will work. Leftover chicken is typically another thing that I'll use if we have just like random leftover chicken for whatever recipe. Even if it has like some kind of coating on it, I'll still throw it in a quesadilla. So quick way, buy some rotisserie chicken, use leftover chicken, or you can make some specifically to go with these quesadillas for the week. So like I said, this recipe is super versatile. You can definitely change things up, but I like to take 100% organic whole wheat tortillas, a pretty good size one, like an 8-inch one would work. And I like to start with cheese. I usually use a Mexican cheese blend or cheddar jack. Pepper jack would work too, sharp cheddar will work, anything like that. And I sprinkle it over my tortilla. And some chicken, of course. Then I add the roasted veggies. Sometimes some raw bell peppers to add a little bit more crunch. On another tortilla, I spread a bunch of guacamole over it and then plop that on top. And that really adds a whole nother dimension of flavor that's just delicious. So you might be thinking, how do I flip this when it's so packed full? Wait till everything is nice and crispy on the bottom one. You can, check it by lifting up the corner. And then when it's melted, so it won't all just like fall out right away, and it's crispy on the bottom, it's pretty easy to flip it. What I do is spray that top tortilla, so you have the guacamole side down, right? So I'll spray that top tortilla so it gets crispy when you flip it. And then I use a really big spatula, like this one. I think this is like a pancake spatula or something, but I use a really big one like this and just slide it underneath and it's really pretty easy to flip it over, even though it seems like it's hard. I have yet to lose one yet, so I have faith in you. I have faith. So you flip it over, cook it till it's crispy and cheesy, and then that's it. You can dip it in more guac and use salsa and all of the fun toppings, and it's so easy to make. And actually, I meal prep this sometimes, and I know it seems like a quesadilla might not be like the best meal prep, but if you let them cool completely, cut them up and then put them in, meal prep containers or whatever, they're actually really good heated in the microwave. So super easy recipe. I hope that you guys try it. Make sure that you tag me at Hungry Hobby RD on Instagram. I love to see what you guys make, and hashtag Hungry Hobby. You make these chicken quesadillas. I have loads of quesadilla recipes on the blog because I'm kind of lazy, especially in pregnancy when it comes to eating lunch. And quesadillas, with a whole wheat tortilla and some healthy organic, full fat cheese and veggies. I mean, that makes a full meal right there. So, and the chicken, of course, for protein. So plenty of quesadilla recipes I can link below, but let me know if you make this one. I would love to see your creations. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the bell notification tab so that you never miss a recipe, workout, nutrition tip, or anything like that. Like I said, I upload new content every week. So stick around, and until next time, I'll see you guys next time.